Hello and welcome to another update video about Terra Luna. Terra Luna is in a clear uptrend at the moment. Therefore, I would expect this to continue for a little while. As I already said in the last video, this has been confirmed by these green candles now. And I think we are very close to the all-time high anyway. And if we continue to push higher and get through the $75 level, then we are going to go to new all-time highs. That is my view. And we can also reach $100. That is my personal point of view. Also what I can see in the charts, if we use the Fibs here to take a look at where we are, then we can see that in that latest move down, we did retrace all the way down to the 0.382 Fib level. I think, this indicates that we can definitely move higher. This was not a very, very strong retracement. This was a rather bullish retracement after the double top here. Came down, didn't go down too much. So it looks very, very interesting, actually, that one here. So it looks interesting. We have seen the green candle. We are not overbought yet. So we are only at $62, 62 on the RSI. As soon as you get into the 70 range on the daily, I would get very careful. Also on the MACD, we're only just seeing a bullish crossover, probably happening in the next few hours or tomorrow. And I think there is more scope. If we can push here through $75 and then the all-time high at 78, then I think we can get $200, the 1.272 extension. And I wouldn't be surprised if we can reach the 1.618 extension at $125. These would also be important resistance levels. Don't expect it to go through in one major move. But very importantly, I think there is more room to grow here in terms of price. We see momentum, we see an impulse to the upside. What you need to be aware of, very careful of, is that on the weekly we are overbought. Yeah, so on the weekly RSI we are definitely overbought here, and if you see that dropping, then we can fall quite far. But at the moment it is holding. The market can hold that level for a while. There is no reason to be too concerned at the moment. However, on the shorter term time frames here on the 4 hour, we are overbought as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a small dip before we then continue to go up higher. This would also bring the RSI on the daily down a little bit and might be a potential to get in. I wouldn't be surprised if we find, if we go down lower here, find support somewhere at $67 again, the previous high, before we then come up higher and break through $75, 78, and then make our way to $100. I mean, we are above all daily EMAs here, the EMA ribbon. That's very important. It just confirms a clear uptrend. I think, we did drop below the 13 and the 21 day EMA here shortly or briefly, but as I would say, as soon as we break here below the yellow line, the 55 day EMA, I think that is when a downtrend starts. That would be my view here. Then we would get into a larger correction, right? That's my view. As soon as you see one of these EMAs broken, be careful, but I think the 55 is highly relevant here for that. Other than that, I think we are doing well. Price action confirms that we are going up here. It looks impulsively, a lot of green candles, strong green candles, but what is important is that we get above $75 to make a higher high. If we cannot make a higher high here, then this will be a major double top, and we're going to go down here. If you see a double top, and if we can't in the next attempt push through $75 and we go down quite a bit and then we drop below 62, I think that is a very, very big warning sign. And if you then drop below 52, I think we can fall much more. I think we could then drop even to that previous low here at $38. Yeah, but my current view would be that we can get through here. Looking at what the daily RSI is telling us, the momentum indicator, that we've made a higher low here. And also we are not overbought yet on the daily, so there is more potential to go higher from here. And Luna is performing really well. And also considering that we're above all the daily EMAs. That's just a quick update. And by the way, also we have volume and green candles here on the volume side. So it's looking not too bad, but very important that we break through $75. If you see this not happening and then we see us coming down, I think this could be very, very not concerning, but I think that could break that uptrend. And in that case, then we would trigger the buy orders at some point here. that I have set on Discord. And if you're interested in joining as a channel member, please check out the link below in the video description, and there's also the join button next to the subscribe button. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.